I used to think that for blackout blinds to be effective, they kind of had to be ugly. I'm Gina with WTI, and the set of blinds that has completely proved me wrong are these motorized honeycomb ones from Graywind. First off, these give you total blackout. That's because they have aluminum foil in each cell, and the structure of the honeycomb helps to insulate, reduce noise, and of course save energy. These are so well made, they're top quality, you can tell right away. This has matter over thread technology. Now, we
Open
used it
all
with a
shades.
4th generation Echo, and this gives you total control over how much light you want without sacrificing a modern and elegant look. One of my favorite functions of this blind, though, is the pull wand. So let's say you're relaxing in your bathtub and you realize you don't have the remote with you, and suddenly you need to close these blinds. So you just reach up, pull that wand, and they can close or open at your discretion. If you have these in a room where pets or children might be, this reduces the chance that they might get entangled in cords or chains. These blinds are compatible with lots of other smart systems. They look fabulous, and the company gets the measurements exactly right. You're going to be as happy with your customized Graywind blinds as I've been, and that's my point of view.